Do you know how to do Wall Street math? I bet you don't. Wall Street math is completely different than the math you do. When you are looking at your investments, you only care about one direction, up. Wall Street knows investments move in two directions, up and down. And they know how to do the math that makes them rich. They also know that you do not know how to do that math, so they have a huge advantage over you. As an easy example, if you lose 50% on an investment, now that investment must go up 100% for you to get back to even. This will make you nervous as an investor, so you would probably consider selling it because you are down. Whereas Wall Street would think to themselves that if they buy that investment when it is down 50% and it only goes back to where it once was, regardless of whether that takes a year or 2 or 3, they will make a 100% gain. So while you consider taking a loss, Wall Street considers how to make money. It is why the rich always get richer. Another example of Wall Street math is this. If Wall Street charges you 2% a year on your investments, and you make 7% per year, then in 10 years Wall Street will get 25% to 35% of your original investment in the form of fees. If at the end of the 10th year your investment drops 50%, you actually lost 18.5% of your original investment while Wall Street gets to keep the fees. Does that sound fair to you? Let Cresco Salas teach you how to avoid the Wall Street math that is killing your investment dreams and destroying your retirement. Learn how to avoid these fees and so much more. Learn how to invest for yourself for your own benefit and your family's benefit. Link is in the description. Cresco Salas, to grow.